Nobody can tell me a thing. My body and volume is Maintanance.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you love me. You can get it on me.
Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, it's been a minute. So today we're gonna get this wig refreshed. It looks terrible, but it's on pretty much very strongly. Go ahead and clean it up, get a nice fresh look. I can go on with my day because I have some things I need to do. Let's get this show on the road. Let me turn on my show while I do this. Is anyone else watching Sisters? This show has me in a chokehold. When I say Karen gets on my nerves, absolutely ridiculous. Get your notepads and pens so I can tell you the things you're gonna need. So I don't have liquid alcohol, but I do have alcohol wipes. So just so I can give it a nice little clean and touch up. Get your lace glue. I have fresh wig caps because I'm gonna just turn the wig cap into a band because I want to test it to see if it works good. But if not, if that's not your speed, just get your lace band so you can tie it down. I have my spritz. I have
What?
and I have foaming moves. Don't have a lot left, so I know it'll stretch. It's called faith. And I also have my blow dryer plugged in, so it's accessible. And I'm about to plug in my flat iron so I can make sure it's hot for when I'm ready. Let's get this thing started. Hopefully you guys can't hear the show, but right now I'm on season 4, episode 7. And when I tell you Karen, I know I'm father, and her wanting to be Zach, like, why can't you just let him and Fatima be happy? Like, I don't get it. So I'm taking the alcohol wipe and I'm just cleaning on top of the. I'm just trying to get that, but don't be like me, guys. Get some alcohol. And I'm gonna get a vanity soon. Whole makeover, okay? And I can't wait to show you guys that it's coming. So. Alright, so right here I'm gonna put foam. Like, it's so glued down that even the baby hairs are glued down. My band is right here, readily available for when I'm ready. Bonnet is gone. Probably won't even need lace glue, but we're gonna see. This is gonna, like, I feel like it's gonna look so good. And I promise, even if it looks terrible, I'ma still post it. And I'ma tell y'all it was available. But I feel like it's not good. And the reason why I can do this too is because it's so like laid that it's. Let's get in there and comb it out. I don't have baby hairs in this wig, so that will be a whole nother separate video. So as you can see, it's already starting to look brand new just by me doing those first 2 steps. We're cleaning the lace with a little bit of alcohol and then using the mousse, the foam, to go ahead and lift up those hard baby hairs that were just laying in place to get it nice and sleek. I'm not even gonna put any glue. Lace that is not laid, go ahead and cut it because it's honestly just excess. So go ahead and cut that. I'm gonna get my spritz. Make sure you have your band readily near. Tie your hair up. So the hair is tied up. Spray down here, a little bit right here, just so it could get a little bit melted more, and down on the side. Just spraying and rubbing down. Spray, spritz, that right here on the lace. Just stretching this out, bringing it down, around. To make sure it's extra tight down, I'm gonna get another one and put it on top of it. Taking my warm and hot good 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna let the rest air dry. Don't want it to air dry, I suggest you holding it there for about 15 minutes or so it can get very dry down and leave. So I'm gonna let it air dry and I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. It's been like 20 or 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and style it. Today, I think I'm gonna flat iron it and then add some like loose curls. I'm putting Moroccan argan oil in my hair, just a little bit, not too much. It's kind of already good, but I'm gonna just go in and add a few more. Make it look nice and fresh. So I curled the hair. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil just to get make the luscious back in it. That makes sense. So we're all curled up, and untie this and do the grand reveal. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it with my fingertips. Spray it on my fingertips. Put it on the edge to get out the white cast. And then instead of tying it back down, I'm gonna use the blow dryer directly on it. Do warm on high. And we're all almost done. All right, so I'm back and I'm gonna take this off. I went to go take a quick shower because I'm about to leave. How nice this is laid, okay? Now I'm gonna just go ahead and take out these pink curls. You know when one side come out looking better than the other? I should have just kept them in all honesty, but nah. And same argan oil so it could get some lush through it. Get that going through it. And for me, I like my curls to the front. Bring these curls right to the front. I love body. Body and volume, what? Nobody can tell me a thing. Body and volume is gonna turn that. So we're just gonna bring that down. Bring everything to the front. Yeah. So if you can see, there's a little bald spot right there. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm gonna go in for the Candy Peach, and I'm just gonna go in right there, and then I'm gonna go in with Summer Yum too, just to give it a little bit of darkness, and it's perfect. And now I'm not gonna go crazy with the concealer. Take my e.l.f. brush and my Tarte light medium 25H creaseless concealer, the middle, down the middle, just like that. Then I have foundation. I'm gonna do a small little bit, not even a full squirt, something very small. You see that? And I'm gonna just rub it out on my skin, dab it, and then dab right here. If you want to really get in there, you could use your finger a little bit and just tap. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'm all done. I hope you guys like this reinstall. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment it below. Thank you. See you guys next time. I have another video that's coming up right after this, and it's makeup. So stay tuned.
Told you once and let it be working.